Miami Freedom Park continues to rise as one of the most ambitious stadium projects in Major League Soccer. With every new update, the structure is beginning to reveal the identity of Inter Miami's future home: bold, modern, and unmistakably South Florida. Inside the seating bowl, progress is accelerating. The lower and upper tiers are taking clear shape, and the installation of the signature pink seats has begun to define the stadium's visual personality. From a distance, the contrast between the pink seating pattern and the gray concrete structure signals a venue designed not just for competition, but for atmosphere. Above, the circular roof structure is advancing steadily. Steel framing now outlines the full perimeter, forming a continuous ring that will eventually support lighting, rigging, and weather protection systems. The scale of the roof emphasizes the stadium's enclosed, intimate design, engineered to amplify crowd noise and deliver a true home field advantage. One of the most striking additions is the main staircase installation at the front facade. The grand concrete stairways are now clearly visible, shaping the primary fan entry experience. These steps are not just functional, they're monumental, designed to welcome thousands of supporters into the heart of the venue. Premium areas are also progressing rapidly. Suites and VIP boxes are being enclosed, with structural framing and glazing underway. These premium hospitality spaces will offer elevated sightlines and exclusive matchday experiences, reinforcing Miami Freedom Park as both a sports and entertainment destination. On the exterior, decorative bird artwork panels are being integrated into the facade. The perforated metal designs reflect Miami's natural identity and add an artistic layer to the stadium's modern architecture. It's a detail that connects sport, culture, and the environment in one cohesive visual statement. Under the parking lot, COMANCO installed a liner-integrated stormwater detention system, providing an innovative solution for underground water storage. This approach is ideal for large venues and urban sites looking to conserve space while maintaining effective stormwater management. The stadium will open in April 2026,